Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to review top 5 best USB Type-C cables. Before starting the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Our first product is Cable Matters USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Cable Matters, with headquarters in Southborough, Massachusetts, offers a complete line of cables, adapters, docking stations, and networking products for the home, office, and data center. Cable Matters offers first-class, quality, and affordable products backed by an exceptional customer experience. 100 watts cable specifications. Connectors, 2x USB-C 24-pin male. USB-C power delivery up to 20 volts/5A/100 watts. Data transfer rate, USB 2.0. Superior construction. Connectors with molded strain relief provides durability. Flexible PVC jacket coils easily for storage or transport. Bare copper conductors provide consistent charging levels. USB-C charging compatibility. Connect a 61 watts or 87 watts computer charger. USB-C wall charger. USB-C car charger. Thunderbolt 3 with USB-C. Thunderbolt 3 uses the USB-C connector. Compatible with Thunderbolt 3 computers. Our second product is Nectech USB-C to USB-C 3.1 Gen 2 cable. When it comes to choosing the right USB cables for transferring data or power carrying capabilities, you have to make sure that you'll choose the one that is IF certified and Type-C cable compliant. These are just one of the great advantages that Nectech's USB 3.1 Gen 2 cable offers. The greatest attributes that you can get from the most advanced USB Type-C cable, since it has the latest version, USB 3.1 Gen 2. It connects all of your standard USB Type-C enabled devices. Compatibility and complete list. Apple new MacBook 2016 and 2017, 2018 MacBook Pro, 2018 MacBook Air. Samsung S9/S9 Plus, Note 9. Google Nexus 5X. Nexus 6P. 1. Plus 6/6T. And more. Nectech's USB 3.1 Gen 2 cable offers the greatest attributes that you can get from the most advanced USB Type-C cable, since it has the latest version, USB 3.1 Gen 2, USB IF certified. Tested and built to work with varieties of USB Type-C gadgets or equipment. Our third product is Anker PowerLine II USB-C. Super speed. Transfer data up to 10 gigabits per second, an HD movie or over 100 music albums in as little as 3 seconds. Or send audio and 4K video signal directly between devices. High-speed charging. One of the first USB-C cables to fully utilize USB power delivery and an e-marker chip. PowerLine safely and reliably delivers up to 100 watts of power. Ensure you're giving your device an optimized charge. Speed and safety. PowerLine II is completely authorized by USB Technology's leading association, proven to work flawlessly and safely with any and all USB-C devices. Sync and charge with total peace of mind. Lasts a lifetime. To show our belief in PowerLine II, we are offering a hassle-free replacement for all quality issues. Not for half a year, not for 18 months, but for an entire lifetime. It really will be the last cable you ever need to buy. 10 gigabits per second data transfer, supports super speed data transmission, send or receive an HD movie in as little as 2.5 seconds, as well as audio and 4K video signal. Our fourth product is Anker Thunderbolt 3.0 cable. Small changes in product size and weight lead to lower carbon emissions. We created Compact by design to identify products that, while they may not always look very different, have a more efficient design. With the removal of excess air and water, products require less packaging and become more efficient to ship. At scale, these small differences in product size and weight lead to significant carbon emission reductions. We want you to live without the inconvenience and uncertainty of where your next charge is coming from. Our chargers and accessories don't just power up your devices, they offer the tech experience you want with zero restrictions. Our fifth product is Nectech Active Thunderbolt 3 cable. Thunderbolt 3 is the latest and sought-after USB technology, which is why it is preferred by many users who want the fastest and optimal output performance for their PC, laptop, and other Thunderbolt-enabled devices. Thunderbolt 3 cable boasts its capacity to transmit large data at 40 gigabits per second speed, produce a 4K video output, gives you an Ultra HD video resolution, and make daisy chaining possible where you can connect to not more than 6 devices. Nectech's Thunderbolt 3 active cable ensures that it will deliver the full and enriching features of Thunderbolt 3 USB. Considered as one of the finest cables to use for charging, transmitting data and connecting Thunderbolt devices or even other peripherals with the use of the appropriate adapter. Cable compatible with EEGPU device to let your laptop to be a gaming book. Limitless functionality, compatible with all Thunderbolt 3 gadget like Ethernet adapter, USB hub, docking station, EEGPU, PCIe, hard drive etc. It is backward compatible with older Thunderbolt versions as well as USB Type-A with the use of the right adapter.